Hey guys, it's Jeff. I'm at Shotshow 2026 and I'm at the Watchtower booth with my friend Alex. He's got a new gun he wants to show us this year. Alex, what do we got?
This is the Apache Mark II, Jeff. And this is our new Apache for 2026.
Outstanding.
What we've done is we've taken it from 2025. Our aerospace engineers that are on board with us have taken the Apache, completely re-engineered it, tested the tolerances from the ground up, and we still have what everyone loves, the cosmetic language, so massive serrations and the original design all still here, but instead of using PVD, we're now using graphene coatings. And as you can see, it's this really interesting inky matte black finish that is super slick and is extremely durable. It's something the industry that hasn't seen before. It's known to be in DoD or defense areas. Yeah. But what we've done is we've taken the formula and we've applied it to work on the Apache. It is just an outstanding finish. It runs just as good as the PVD, if not even better. So if you like it, you're gonna love the graphene.
So just kind of going around the gun here. So you've got your forward serrations, but I also noticed you got a comp here.
Yep, so the Apache is known for being extremely flat shooting. That's because of its comp right here. That's something, really, when we go back in our history, that's kind of integral to what Cuban had on his. And we've just kept that going forward because it just is extremely well at containing zero.
Yes, it is.
It's flat and it's a little hefty in the hands, but that just supports the recoil control. And then you have the serrations that I think it's 6 serrations, but they're deep. They're easy to grip onto.
So one of the complaints that I've heard about the full pick rails on the 2011s is the timing. Did you guys measure the timing on the flashlights like the X300 Turbo?
Yep.
Is it timed up?
It's pretty much exactly flush.
Right.
We will have, actually, it's funny to bring that up, in one of our latest studio visits, we actually have a Apache Mark II with a Surefire X300, I think it's Turbo.
Yeah, okay. Had to look there, yeah.
I can't remember, there's so many different names.
Yes.
But anyways, it does fit pretty much
flush on the front, perfect, okay, all right. And then what's the trigger weight on this? Do you know?
We're calling it a competition 2 trigger weight, so you're going to be somewhere around 2 to 3 pounds. That's what we're aiming for. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of heavier one, but you know, the 1911 is the gunsmith's platform, so you can tune it how you want.
Yes.
You still have that keyhole, which I believe is user adjustable.
Okay.
So it's the same trigger that we've had before. And it's a flat shooter and just a pistol pull. Yeah. And it's a pleasure to shoot. Yeah,
the trigger's very flat on this guy, so when you go to put your finger on it, pulling it back, straight back, it hardly has any pull on it at all. 2.5 pounds is probably what I would imagine on it as well. It's got a raised mag release. All the controls are right where you expect them to be on 2011. So yeah, it's a very good feeling gun. Slimline safeties, doesn't feel like they're too far out there. What else?
I would like to mention that we still offer a lifetime warranty, so for all those customers who are still interested in something for a gun that's American made and that has that lifetime coverage, the Apache Mark II still carries that moving forward.
Well, there you go. So lifetime warranty on your Apache pistols with Watchtower Firearms. So stay tuned for more from SHOT Show 2026. Thanks.
Thanks, Jeff.
Bye, brother.